Many cars today don't come with a spare tire, and drivers are left unprepared in a flat tire emergency. Meet Slime Rescue, a universal tire repair sealant designed to work in nearly all car models with whatever air source you have handy. Garage compressor, car tire inflator, gas station air, you name it. Slime Rescue works with them all. Here's how it works. First, remove the valve cap from the tire valve stem and attach the slime sealant hose to your tire. Second, remove the valve cap from the slime sealant bottle and attach the tire inflator hose to it. Then, simply turn on the air source. As the air from the tire inflator moves into the hard, plastic bottle, it pushes the slime sealant into your tire for a quick and easy tire repair. You don't even need to remove the valve core. When full tire pressure is reached, turn off the inflator and detach the pieces. No jack, no mess, no hassle. Seek a professional tire repair within 3 days or 100 miles. Rescue from slime.